We spent the last month building out this 15,000 square foot warehouse to manufacture, engineer, and design the best air conditioners on the market. And as you can see, it's going fantastic.
You need a line to the basement. We've got 3 floors fire, heavy involvement. I haven't got it all clear yet. Which way is the basement from the front door? Go straight in the front door. Approximately 10 steps. Go left. You'll see the stairs on the immediate left. Copy. We're trying to get you a line down there right now, guys. Man, I'm going to be shut off the egress down here. We got the other line coming in. Come on.
So this is where the fire originated. What happened is that from the transformer on the pole outside, the electricity comes underground and then up and into the panel box right there. There was a back feed of electrical current and it arced and caused the fire. The inlets are coming out of the ground, you know, and they burned from the inside. Once that arced, you know, the guys were in the building. Miguel smelled smoke. 3 minutes it was up.
Well, originally when the fire broke out, I lived the van life. And while I'm working here, I actually had my van parked right here. When Miguel yelled fire, it was about 8 a.m. on Saturday morning. I was sitting at the desk, or my table. I came around the van over to here, and I just saw the flames on top of it.
So, you know, because all this wood frame, the fire went this way, it didn't really go that way, but it burned all the offices, you know, all this shit was brand new. New flooring right underneath. I mean, they were setting the toilets that day.
We were looking to put on hardware toilets, new outlet covers, painted, drywall was done, it was beautiful. Flooring was in, gorgeous.
It burned.
Power was out, I knew I couldn't get the van out of that. There is a small 8-foot roll-up door over there. I threw that up.
They cut 4 holes in the roof. They sawed through every overhead door. And there was like 30 firemen out here.
And by the time I jumped in the van and pulled it around to get out the fire, the whole top, I could just see as I was pulling out, the whole thing, it just went whoosh.
And you told me the fire station's a mile away.
Yeah, they were here in less than 4 minutes.
No, I heard from some of the firemen after the fire that you were crying. Is this true?
I was whining.
And you guys have been working on this property for a month to get it ready.
Yeah.
A month. And it was just about finished.
It was the last day.
It's just heartbroken because of everything that we had put into this office.
Pretty
all the planning.
devastating.
And it wasn't just the hands-on work that I was doing. It was the mental aspect, the energy, and you know, just all the thought and planning of everything. To just in minutes go up in flames is just devastating to sit outside and watch the building go up.
Devastating. Not just for me, but for the people that have been working, building and finishing out this building so that we could start the next step of this journey. All is not lost. We will not be stopped, we will not be deterred. All of the people that were working on this property are now moving into our other property that we were planning on building out next. And we are going to start working in that facility. It'll take us about another month to get that up and running. The whole goal as we've increased the size of this business is to bring manufacturing back to the United States. And it should be just an easy thing to do. Make things here high quality, highly engineered air conditioning devices right here in America. Guys, I hope you follow along on our journey. If you want to learn more about Nomadic Cooling, do me a favor, go to nomadiccooling.com. If you have any questions that you can't answer from our website, always feel free to send us an email, a call. Guys, let's go further in comfort with Nomadic Cooling.